Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to look, as usual, some altcoins and the BTC. If you're learning and enjoying from the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which will help the YouTube algorithm to reach more people, and of course you will get a top technical analysis on a daily basis as usual. Let's start looking at Link. Nothing has been changed. As we said, literally we were around here. I was expecting to be in this zone to consolidate, and you can see it how the levels are playing, and I said we will be consolidate around here. Since the end of November, as you can see, this level I was waiting as a bull signal. However, it was a bull trap, as I said, and again here we had another bull trap that as a result BTC pumped, Link pumped, and it dumped again, Link dumped. And yesterday we were around here. I said we will be consolidating literally in this zone, and as you can see, wick to wick is just rejection. All the candles are actually, you can see it, high time frame resistance and support zone, which is between 1384 and 1360 zones. What I'm expecting is breaking this level, which is 1385, and retesting or clear breakout. It doesn't matter. However, ideal zone would be $14.15. We'll be closely watching. And if you're going to look into parallel channel, exactly, it just rejected again from our parallel channel, which we will also discuss that. We'll be around here, highly likely we're going to get rejected from parallel channel. And this is actually very strong resistance, which is 1390 zone. That's why it became quite hard for the Link to break it since the end of November. However, we had a very sweet short signal here. Now it's in a range. We're going to follow closely. Let's look into Ethereum. Ethereum is mimicking the Bitcoin, and there is nothing to update at the moment. Nothing has been changed. As I said, it is in consolidation zone, and you see these weeks how it played out. Since then, I was mentioning we will be here. It is very tough for the Ethereum to break this zone. However, if it's going to get broken, we've got levels, so Ethereum should hold. If the BTC gets weaker, then Ethereum should hold 620 and 600 zones around here. However, there is no sign. We will be closely watching the BTC. We will see how the BTC plays out. If you're learning and enjoying from the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which will help the YouTube algorithm to reach more people. And of course, you will get a top crypto technical analysis on a daily basis. And we're going to move on to XRP. Before that, I would like to take your attention to today's update. Early morning I updated. 19th of December, XRP is in consolidation and expecting to consolidate within this circle. Have not yet given a full long signal, following price action closely. So I gave actually this circle zone, and it was keep rejecting right from 55 cents, cent to cent, line to line. If you want to get instant update, you can follow me via Twitter at CryptoMagnate8, at CryptoMagnate8. And if you have any reasonable questions regarding technical analysis or learning technical analysis, you can always DM me. My DM is always open. So as you can see, nothing has been changed since early morning. We've been actually here all around in this zone. It is between 58.5 and 55 cents zone. So in this zone, as you can see, we're consolidating, and from here a bit more consolidation I'm waiting, but not too long left. However, it all depends to the BTC. If the BTC pumps, it's highly likely we're going to just pump and it will take the XRP with it, as well as the Link. However, Link is slightly weaker than XRP. XRP looks much more healthy. We will take it off this circle for now. Since yesterday, 7 4-hour candles, actually none of them able to close except this. However, this candle seems like a rejecting, and highly likely we may come back. We will see. We will watch closely. I'm expecting we have some more consolidation within this range. Let's move on to BTC. BTC finally able to break the $24,000, and that is actually another exciting moment. However, as I said, I went through different scenarios yesterday's video, and as I said, weekend action actually is not something that I'm looking. As we said, we had this zone and we will be consolidating. This will be our primary consolidation zone. If we lose, if there would be a secondary consolidation zone. However, I said it's too early, and I also mentioned about the bear zone as well. However, I didn't give away. And I said where 1 hour time frame all the way higher time frames are pointing a bullish. I just showed the levels just in case for the information purposes. And as expected, the wicks after wicks, we've been stuck in this zone, which is 23,000, 22,800 zone. And finally, we made some move today after this candle. In yesterday's video I said clean breakout as long as we cross this line, so we are good to go. And as you can see, literally we actually broke the previous high zone. It was 23,400. We went all the way 24,200. I'll go through to how to measure the fib levels. I received some questions and people were a bit struggling, so I'll just try my best to explain. But bear in your mind, as I said, the support and resistance zones as well as the fib level is changed, but I will update via Twitter. If you want to follow me, you can follow me for instant updates at CryptoMagnate8. And people were asking, actually, is it reasonable to buy from this zone? After 24 to 72 hours, this is a very short period of time to consolidate, because if you wanted to buy, we had enough chance actually from the mid of November all the way to mid of December, as I was talking about for this, and we had enough time. We had a beautiful, actually, as you know, resistance here, which was 19,600, 19,800. If we break actually this zone, clean break, retest, and we're good to go. After 3 weeks consolidation, and you can see already it provided a nice profit, over 20% profit. Is it reasonable to buy from this area? I don't think so, and today is a weekend. I'm not fan of the weekend traders. If one wanted to buy a ticket for this ride, it would have been here, because we may be printing a double top pattern. No one knows yet. However, this is not something that I would advise. After you will wait actually consolidation, this type of consolidation will give you 20%, sometimes 25% and over profit. So you have to be patient when the market is in consolidation. And today via Twitter I updated BTC, as it was mentioned in the last night's video, which was yesterday's. We have been consolidating within this circle zone, and as you can see, the BTC is in the lower time frame support resistance zone. If you're not a scalper, weekend price action is not something I can advise. As long as you are on the train from 19,700, 19,800, just enjoy the ride. If you want to follow me, you can follow me at Twitter at CryptoMagnate8. So as we saw, that was our consolidation zone. It consolidated 1 day, 20 hours until this candle broke. For the educational purpose, we're going to go to this parallel channel, which I mentioned in yesterday's video. This is completely new on the lower time frame. I don't really rely on the 1 hour chart, the parallel channels. However, I just put it and we had a different expectation. However, I said I'm not giving so much weight on it. I'm not taking that parallel channel seriously. However, we will see it. We saw it. It was holding nicely a couple of hours. It broke and it trying to re-enter to this parallel channel. If you have not a solid data, the previous data, there is no need actually to work with a parallel channel. That's what I'm going to say. And I'm going to show a few examples regarding the Fibonacci levels. If you're going to take a lower time frame, you might get some sort of noise if you don't know what you're doing. However, I would recommend you to take on the 4 hour time frame, where you're going to take it literally from the swing low. You see that we had kept printing the lower highs. That's the end, and we can see it. That was actually the bottom. The 30th of November all the way 11th of December, I would count this as a bottom. So let's not pay attention to this price action. You're going to take it from the bottom to the top, but you have to pay attention. Few rejections must be met. Let's do the bar play. We're going to play it from here on. We're just on a bar play mode, and once you're going to actually get this, what will happen is after the trend actually recovered, you got swing low to the swing high, and you can see it played literally dollar to dollar, 22,345, and cent to cent, dot to dot this line, and that's where you won't get a problem. And how you can confirm is you can go to the daily chart as well. You can see it. So that's actually on a daily time frame as well. That's the lowest part of it. So you need to bear in your mind, you need to have actual couple of candles where it cannot reach the previous high, the wick of this candle. Let's take another example. All the way we had an uptrend and slightly down, and you can see it as this is a swing low. You can take from this swing low to the swing high, and you've got a couple of rejections all the way. It came to tested dollar to dollar 0.5 level. It went up and it kept printing during the consolidation period the lower highs. And the entrance zone, actually, if you remember, a few days ago I provided, as long as we break 19,700 and 800, we're good to go. That is also another beauty side of using the Fibonacci, as long as you know how to use it. So you take it from swing low all the way swing high. Make sure you have to have a couple of rejections here, and you can see it, how many rejections. It's more than enough to accept this as a swing high. and you can see it came exact 50 level. The magic levels, actually, I want to mention 382, 0.5 and 618. If you know how to use the Fibonacci, you can only trade based on the Fibonacci levels. However, you have to master it, and it will take quite some time. And you can see first test 618 dot to dot, dollar to dollar, 17,640, and it went back, literally tested again, nearly dollar to dollar, 382. We came back again, retesting this level again. From there, actually, we went on an upper trend, little bit consolidation, broke it, and the rest is the history. It gave us more than 20% profit. If you like the videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.